Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm creating a layout for the My Creative Scrapbook design team. I'm using the March 2025 main kit. This kit is filled with simple stories for the record collection. Now I do have a full unboxing, which I will leave linked down below in the description box so you can see all the contents up close that are included in this kit. Now let's go ahead and get started and jump into today's layout. For today's layout, I'm using the sketch that is created. Now every month, My Creative Scrapbook provides us with a sketch. So these come right in your kit. And this is the sketch that I'm working with. And you'll see in the background, I went ahead and made a frame style layout. And I didn't think you needed to watch me do that, but I love this. It's got 2 vertical photos and then 1 horizontal. I do print all my photos at home, so I'm going to print these out in 3x4 size on my Epson PictureMate 400. So you'll see here I've torn a piece of the pattern paper and put that on the back. These are the photos I want to scrapbook. So we are getting ready to move into a new house. It's almost done. We're like 30 days out. And this is our in progress photo. So this is our kitchen, and then that middle photo, that's our refrigerator. It is so cool. You knock on it and you can see the inside of what's inside. I've never seen anything like it. I'm just blown away that stuff like this exists. And then the photo on the left, that is our stove and our microwave. So I've cut a piece of the pattern paper here, and I've just torn the top and the bottom. And I didn't measure this. I just wanted to keep enough room to have my photos, and I'm really looking at the sketch here. I want to follow this closely. And so I think this is gonna work nice for the arrangement of my photos. Now I did dig into my stash just a little bit for this piece of yellow striped paper. I needed just one more little strip of color, and at first I thought I wanted a little strip of red. And I couldn't find anything in my stash that had red like I wanted. So I thought this little pop of yellow would be perfect. So I just had some scraps of this yellow pattern paper. I don't even know what brand it is, but you could use any pattern paper here just to draw in a little more color. So if I look at the sketch, it looks like they had some pattern paper strips to the right photo, both on the top and bottom, then one on the center photo, and then one to the left. And I decided to use all of the same pattern paper. And I really like the way that this looks. So I'll go ahead and do my gluing off camera so you don't have to watch me put this down, but that's where I think I'm at. So here we go. Through the magic of photo editing or video editing, we have that completed. This is my favorite piece of ephemera in the collection, in the Simple Stories for the Record collection. And this says happiness, check. I love it. So I am so happy to be moving, and yeah. So Dale and I have been dating for about 3 years, and we are finally moving in together. So we're really excited about it. Okay, so happiness check is perfect. There was also this little piece, I think I cut these out. Yeah, I cut these out of the pattern paper. So these weren't ephemera, and you can see here, even this little strip that says fragile and special delivery, it wasn't the whole word, but that's okay because I am going to add this little paper clip piece of ephemera up here. And so it's going to look like it was meant to go here. So I was able to use that little piece of ephemera, and I thought fragile and special delivery was perfect for documenting these pictures of our home that is in progress. All right, at the bottom of the layout in this sketch, there was a little tag. So I went ahead and used my hole punch and I cut a hole in the tag because I do want to add some ribbon or twine down here. So let me get this down. And I loved that this had all the colors that's in the pattern paper. So I'll go ahead and put that down. And then I found this sticker on the sticker sheet. Now I did go ahead and pull the stick off using a powder tool, just so I can go about moving these around more like die cuts. But I do want to end up popping this up with some foam. So I'm going to grab some foam, and then we'll get the word currently stuck down. I did go ahead and make more of a title. So there wasn't anything that matched perfectly for what I needed. And so I went into Cricut Design Space and I used the print and cut feature with a shadow layer, so with an outline, and I cut the word in progress. So my full title is going to say currently in progress. So let me go ahead and get this stuck down. I'm using some tacky glue in my fine line bottle applicator. So I've got the word currently. So I'll put this over here to the bottom of the kitchen photo. And then I'll pull in, let me bring in the in progress so that you can see I cut this on my Cricut. Now if I had to do it over again, I would have used the contour feature and removed those little bits that's in the middle of the O and the G, but it didn't bother me enough to reprint it, so I think it's going to be fine. So we'll go ahead, and I'm not going to use any foam on this. I just want the currently to be popped up, but we'll go ahead and put the in progress down here. And then this layout is coming together so quickly. I love that the My Creative Scrapbook always comes with a sketch, and I do try to follow the sketch every month. Before I was a design team member, I would still use the sketches when I was a kit subscriber. So it's always a fun piece that comes included in the kit. All right, let's go ahead and keep adding some ephemera pieces. So I've got this little clip, and this was on the sticker sheet, the foam stickers here, and that one says all the little details. And then I thought this chipboard sticker would be perfect, or foam sticker, I guess they're called. No, they're called chipboard stickers, I'm right. And this is some floral, so that looks cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bow here. I just tied a bow with some twine, just simple. Just real simple and subtle. And then in the sketch, there was a little flower or a little piece of ephemera. So I'm going to add this little floral down here to the bottom left of this tag. And now I want to pull in the sticker sheet just to see if there's anything else. I think my layout is nearly completed now. I need to add my journaling, but I found this, and this was my favorite part of the kitchen, is the refrigerator. So I want to use this little wordy bit that says, look at that, and it has an arrow. So I think that's so cool. So I definitely want to put that, because that's really what my layout is about today. Oh, I got it down a little crooked. So I'm going to use my little pokey tool and just see if I can get this pulled up without ripping it. Oh, it kind of damaged that photo. I just need to put it down so it's straight. So let me just re-stick that over that spot. And there, that looks pretty good. All right, let me look back at the sticker sheet to see if I can find anything else. I found this little sticker, and it says the details. And so I think that's really cute for the layout. So we'll add that here to the bottom left. And I don't think there's anything else on the sticker sheet that I want to use. I'm going to go back to the chipboard and see if there's anything else that I want to use on it. So, oh, I did find these hearts. So I'm going to add these hearts here to the bottom because I love, love, love our new house. Oh, I stuck this one down crooked too. Let me get this pulled up. We'll just add a little cluster of 3 of these hearts. I like that they're in all different sizes. So we'll add that. And then I want to go back and look at those chipboard stickers. I think there's a piece I want on there. And the piece that I'm looking for says documented. So it's not on the sticker sheet, it is on the chipboard sticker. So let me go ahead and pull that in. And it looks like one of those just like stamps. I don't know what you call them, but it reminds me of just like a big old stamp that you would use in an office. And so here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and add that up here with just the happiness check, documented. And that is really all I need to do on this layout. Now I need to add my journaling, and then what layout isn't complete without the date? And so I want to document this. So I wrote down my journaling. Our house is really coming together. We're about 30 days out from moving day. The fridge is the coolest. You knock on it to see what's inside. And then I'm stamping here the date, February 12th, 2025. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I will leave links down below to the My Creative Scrapbook website where you can get your hands on the the March 2025 main kit full of the simple stories for the record collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!